everyone, welcome to TRANSLIT-Saint. So the time has finally arrived. You guys are receiving your invitation letters, or just call it telex number, using which you will apply your visa. So basically Indians have received, and moreover other students from other countries will also receive it soon. So how to apply for a visa? The link is provided here on top. You can see it. So the main thing is nowadays that people are asking how can we transfer money from here to Russia, like from anywhere. So that's like we have to focus on it. Right now Master or Visa card, it's not working, and moreover the SWIFT transactions are also not working. So the most easy way to transfer your money is crypto. So you buy your crypto in any currency, like from where you are, you buy that crypto in that currency and sell it in rubles. For that you need to open a Russian account in Tinkoff Bank. It's a bank in Russia. Once you reach there, you can open it. So the main thing is you carry the amount from your country to Russia when you're traveling for the first time. So you need to contact university first of all. Ask them how much do they want for the dormitory, maybe they can ask for 2 months rent or 3 months. So you ask them. It will be around 3600 rubles, I guess. And the next thing is buying an insurance. Buying an insurance, how much does the insurance cost, and which insurance your university wants you to buy, you need to ask them. And once you ask, you will know how much amount is fixed, like you need to carry that much amount at least. So that's your fee, your hostel fee and the insurance fee. The next thing is in the starting days, of course, there will be some amount of money that you will spend on COVID test. Yes, you will spend on COVID test. It will be around 2000 to 2500 rubles. And in the initial days, of course, you are not going to cook because you will be busy in arranging many things. So it's better if you can carry from your home country some pre-cooked foods, which are ready to eat, and you can just boil or heat them up, and they can be stored for some days. You know it well what I'm talking about. So you can carry it with yourself. Rest, you know better, what do you get in your country and what is cheaper for you to buy it from your country and take to Russia. I'm telling this because I have experience from India, but I don't know about many other countries, what do you get there cheap and what is expensive for you in Russia. So please look into that matter. In order to transfer crypto, the best thing is you open an account on Binance, and then you verify yourself. So these are the main things right now which you have to focus on. And remember, the visa validity is 90 days since you get the telex number or your visa invitation. So 90 days is the validity. 45 days before you have to reach Russia. So plan your traveling schedule according to it. When you book a ticket, kindly please check if it can be made your flight does not reach to Russia on weekends, you do not reach to your hostel or your university on weekends, because that will be a little hectic for you. So it's better that you book your flight tickets accordingly. You reach to your dormitory or university on working days from Monday to Friday. So that's a point to be noted. I don't think anything I'm missing more. If you have any other query, please contact me on my WhatsApp. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel also. I need it because I need some motivation to make more videos, because I know the content regarding education in Russia is good. So I need subscribers, and I need you all to subscribe if you find this video informative. Thank you all. Bye.